So storing DICOM is pretty straightforward. We've had DIMSY, DICOM, and CStore forever. But what about if we want to do this on the World Wide Web? What's a profile that we can use? Today, we're going to walk through one that solves all these problems. Let's talk about WIC.
Hey, I'm Brad. I'm a healthcare integrator in a vast ecosystem of healthcare applications. We connect these applications using standards like HL7, FHIR, and DICOM, and bring it all together with IHE, thus making the world a better place for all, for doctors, for nurses, and ultimately for the patient. This is Healthcare Standards and Profiles.
So Web Image Capture, or WIC, is a profile that looks at DICOM Web Stow-RS and profiles that for leverage in these medical imaging workflows. WIC allows us to restfully store DICOM objects to wherever they need to go. It's very straightforward in terms of taking your images, JPEGs, or DICOM objects and storing them using HTTP REST against a PAX or a VNA or any sort of DICOM router. Let me show you how.
The WIC profile contains two actors, the image capturer actor and the image manager. The image capturer can take imaging files like JPEGs or PNGs or raw DICOM or other content and then send that using the DICOM Web Stow to an image manager. Now, let's look at a URL that we use when using WIC. Really important that we consider security, and so we should be using the HTTPS protocol so that all content from sender to receiver is encrypted. We'll specify the location of the destination of where we're sending our imaging study, and we may include the study instance UID that we want to use when storing this image. And that's it. Learn all about web image capture along with all the other IHE profiles at ihe.net.
And so that's the principles of web image capture. Let's go do something great. Take care.